Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to change the username on Threads. First of all, open the Thread app. Go into its profile. Click on Edit Profile. From here, you can see the name. But if you click to change, it shows you that your name is linked with Instagram cannot be changed. Click to cancel it. Then tap on Instagram icon from Threads profile page. Click on Edit Profile on Instagram. From here, you can change the username. Change it to whatever you want, then click on Done. If that username is unavailable, then add a number in it, for example, as shown here on the screen. Then click on Done. If it still says the username is unavailable, try a different combination. So try one, for example, as shown here on the screen, and then click on Done. You can see the username is changed here. Then click on Done. Click on your Thread badge to open your Thread profile. You can see the username is changed in Threads as well. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.